I'm transparent about my issues though. If I suck at backtesting, I suck at backtesting. Nothing I can do about that. Good at live trading, can't. What was it? Backtest? Well, that's a shame.
Pretty sure.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, хорошо. I gotta go talk to Pavel Piklev later. Pavel Piklev. Klayev.
Oh, that guy.
Bro, tortures me.
Why? Why do you have to go?
My grammar, he flames my grammar. Нет, это
Okay.
Mil Marinki. No, wait, what was it? I already forgot. He tortures me in that Colossal book. It was, черная. The grammar, feminine, masculine. What was it? Я живу в Миннесоте. The ending grammar, Vladivostokия. Just ridiculous.
Yeah, you need better grammar.
Yeah, that's what he's compounding into me. I'm supposed to be learning about history and stuff, but now it's just a full language lesson. Okay, what's it? This is fun. What else was it? Moja подруга Strizzy Malkovna Volkov. And the patronymic naming system, all that. I already knew that though. Okay. I can take my time. I'm not rushing or trying to do this. Alright, I'm even gonna look at the economic calendar. That's my warm up. I'm gonna be bullish. I just see London highs get ran. Then this is previous day high. Okay, we have a good target. Down to the 1 minute. We haven't retraced into discount yet. 950. No trade in the 950 macro. Run through this low. We just ran up higher. That's okay. I'm watching the open. I like to watch these PD arrays get respected. So this one respected. Where's our 930 presented gap? Presented gap. Oh, this is a high probability inversion right here. Look, we could have longed off of this. This fit the macro. If I was more in depth with my stuff, I would have taken this. It's just I'm missing depth in my trading.
I see it.
Oh shoot, look at this dude. Look at this clown. Are you ready to flip the bird?
Just get ready to flip. Who is this thing?
Some random.
Take a screenshot.
Alright.
I'm gonna make a TikTok. Look, buddy, good job. You're gonna be famous.
It's okay. It's not worth time or energy, I've learned. Usually I'd go nuts, but it's not worth. You're just mad, jealous, envious, whatever. It's okay. Macro 10-10. Let's see, we're still bullish. We had a run of this low. Let's think. Oh, he retracted his message. Why?
Ooh, dumb nigga.
Me, I've gotten payouts before. I've had payouts like all year last year. And then I think my last payout was, what day is it? It's almost been 3 months since my last payout. So, walks back in. I'm buying 500 accounts. Oh jeez. Oh no.
Okay. Whoa, welcome.
I got it. Okay. Run of low. Let's stay focused. Run of low. We have PPR. Protected low. Let's pop up our SMTs. You have some SMT lows. Yeah, I'd say I'm still profitable consistently. Are you profitable, LM? Probability inversion right here. I kind of want to push it. It's okay. Here, it's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. I suck at backtesting. If there's one thing I can't do, it's backtest. I really not good at backtesting because I don't go as in depth as I usually should. We have SMT highs right here. First ever funded. What's up, XR? Why is there so many people in the chat? First funded last week and about a pass. Maintaining the account lower size. You 100% need a lower size and build a buffer. It's, I don't know how much size you trade with, but literally half it in blast. It's okay, Ellen. Keep grinding. Just keep pushing away at it. It'll hit eventually. The way I fixed my trading was just systemizing it. What's up, John? Oh, you're here too. Okay, systemizing my trading. Like, this is what I use for my trading. I have these two systems for it. Funded and eval, and it's just so clean for me. I'm able to consistently bang out trades. And
you gotta send that in like the...
Oh yeah, I will. I'll get lit. And then, what was it? I try to keep publicity with my track record. You can see all my trades if you go into here. For the past, I upload my wins, my losses, and my story right here. This is where I started getting recent. We had longs, shorts, right here. Just all the trades that I had. These are all unfundeds, by the way. I've only been trading one funded for the most recent time. But yeah, if you want to see my trades, just all in here. Long, bang, shorts, no shorts, bang, take profit. That's all of it. If you just want to see it, it's right there. Then here's my losses. It's my track record on here. I'm going to keep uploading it, but back to backtesting, no more distractions. I don't even remember how much I've made from payouts. I just keep taking payouts whenever I can. It's been like, I've been taking payouts for 2 years at this point. Multiple prop firms, gotten banned from multiple prop firms. I have a lot of history with them. I want to be looking for shorts. It's not really in line with their bias with this SMT at the high. We have this small BPR. So, our initial bias right now is bullish, so I want to see a higher price. Thank you, John. Have a good day. Slow. Hopefully we can validate SMT then. I can't see any type of trade I'd be looking for. There's not right now. I'll keep this unicorn marked out though. This is going to be something I'll be watching. If we do run lower into this, I might look for it. But right now, I mean, we have this inversion right here that I'm going to be watching for. So yeah, we're kind of 50-50 on where we're at. Our bias isn't really as clear. We're inside of a premium. Finish moving. I am 18 actually. Gee. Oh shoot. Okay, why are we so much use? Yeah, but you can put in your parents' info for those under 18. So right here, my strategy would be shorts over here. I don't like it. It's against our bias. Not really what I'd want to see. I would want more. But if I was going to be trading my strategy, this is what I'd be taking. This isn't A+. This is more like a C- setup, if I'm being honest. I don't like this. But it would be, what was it? Short and probably stopped out. And where was our original entry for this? Because our initial bias was this up here. We want to see higher prices into our previous day high because we have a smart money reversal on the 15-minute. So yeah, we have this run of this low, previous day lows, bias obviously bullish. This is where we're going to hit next. Where can we find our trade? What type of entry do we have inside of the macro? We had the run of this low. I don't see much. No, we would have to have S&P for like a higher probability order block. This inversion right here, not really something I'd be looking for. It's against our bias. We only want to take trades in line with our bias. So we would probably have to wait until 11:50, but that's also fine. We can retrace. This is kind of setting the stage for another trade right now. Make a bootcamp series? I will, yeah, 100%. I will make a bootcamp in the future when I want to start funding more people. And I just have some random Razer keyboard. It's not like a gaming thing, it's just, it doesn't really matter as much. Okay, BPR, ran through BPR. This is going into lunch, but I can still more than likely find a trade within here. My win rate when I'm trading live, I'd say it's 60 to 70. If I'm avoiding bad conditions, it's definitely 70%. Yeah, it just depends on my days I'm trading. If I trade good conditions live, where I have like full in-depth analysis, where I have all my indicators, all my stuff, I'd say I have a clean 70% win rate. More than 70. But whenever I'm trading days I shouldn't, like Thanksgiving, or whenever I'm live trading, I tend to force trades. that either go break even or they just hit some random. Otherwise, I use all these indicators and I use sessions power 3 a lot in my trading. It helps me a ton. It's really simple for me.
Lock in.
Yeah, oh yeah, lock it, thank you. Okay, get sidetracked. I'm gonna have low. We're already pushing lower here. I should have added YM, but SMT at the lows. I'm only gonna be looking for longs. I don't want to fight my bias or a daily bias. Here. No SMT anymore. All we have is this BPR right down here. This entire thing could be considered one. I don't want to see a retrace into it. And from here we're outside of the macro, so I can't look for a trade. But I mean, this is the only model that would have formed. It's outside of the macro, which that automatically degrades the setup by 1 grade. But we're supposed to be longing up to this high if we had it. But it's not high probability. I can look through every macro though and look for a high probability trade. That's what I like the most. I'm able to sit on my hands, wait to get what I want to see until I find a trade. And then when I find the trade I want, I just execute on it. Win, lose, it doesn't matter. It doesn't bother me. Psychology is in the right place. So the only thing I want to look for, just see if we can react off of OT. If we don't, if we usually displace through here, I get really bearish. I want to see lower prices from there. So just to recap what we did, we ran a London high, Asia high, and we started shooting lower after that. So this is more than likely a seek and destroy day where we run out Asia lows, we run up both highs and lows, and we just run. Okay, we just ran out. Oh, we ran into the discount. So now we are completely loaded, locked and loaded for longs. If we can have a reaction up higher. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna wait for the 150 macro because right now we're starting to set up for longs. If I was bullish, we still have that previous day high intact, and it's a Wednesday. So weekly power 3 is saying bullish. We're long. Biased, and if it doesn't offer, it doesn't matter. Shoot, I don't like this at all. We're not really getting as clean setups as I'd prefer. I want more SMT. We're just respecting all this. You tap into this inversion, we're pushing up higher. First gen entry, not my type. Most definitely not my type. What I want to see, kind of a run of this low, push up higher. We have to form the smart money reversal a little bit more. So let's see. Run this low. No, it's gonna be 250 by the time this does happen though, so price has already died off for the day. And it probably would have been a no trade if I was trading this realistically, but it doesn't bother me. I'm just taking time trying to further the understanding and collect more data. We still have Thursday. I should have zoomed out a little bit more. If I am going to do more backtesting, I definitely have to zoom out because I think that this was almost an A+ rejection block. Yeah. Let's just continue pushing forward. And one thing I want to do too, look at our economic calendar. I accidentally skipped through the whole day. Oh shoot. 8 AM. Let's look at our calendar. Friday, so we can't trade until 10. We have until 8:30. Okay, that's good. If I didn't know that, I probably would have gotten destroyed on a trade.
That's a different day, by the way.
A different day? It's a Friday. Or is it the 28th? Yeah, it's the 28th. Never mind, you're right. So, do you think I'd be fine? Really choppy here, but if you look at the candles, we have a smart money reversal. Now, from here to confirm it, we need to look at the higher time frame, definitely, to see if we run out any type of lows. So, small external. Let's start here. We're obviously still bullish. I don't like fighting the trend too much. Any SMT. Yeah, we're fine. Small SMT at the lows, and that's about it. We ran out these lows, and that's it.
What is going on?
I have no clue. Neighbors are tripping out. Screaming. Switch between key. Yeah, you know, you just press the number. It's not even a keybind. You just press 5. You know, 5. It's just trading view. This just looks like massive AMD. Okay, I have to get my other indicator sessions. Alright, this is slightly better. Accumulation, where's our midnight open? Right here. Okay, midnight. No manipulation higher, manipulation lower. We ran lower. Not entirely what I wanted to see. We only really have... No, this is run lower. 6. Okay, so London. We already had our distribution higher. It's just telling me bullish still. I can't see anything other than that. I only see bulls. Also, looking at the daily power 3, we can see we're kind of bearish right here. Run of these highs. Minute open. We return to discount. It's not looking good for our SMR down here, especially with bullish. It's against mainly our weekly power 3. I just like to align power 3 with everything we have. So I don't think we're going to be able to find a trade again, sadly, because this is just run lower. We don't really trade like that, or I don't trade like that. So we can wait a bit. We did run up the slow. SMT. I'll check for SMT. No. We do have SMT actually. That's good. Yeah, it's Russian 2015 songs. It's very good. Accumulating down here. Now it's just 50-50. I don't like where we're going, honestly. I'll zoom out. I always like to see the higher time frame, but this sucks. We're higher. We're still bearish, but I don't like shorting in deep discount. It feels like it's more like a chase setup if we're gonna short. Okay, so you run up higher, any SMT, we have SMT, perfect. So this is starting to look decent. I'm not going to take a trade because of just simply against the rules. Not really as clean as I want. Run this high again. Okay, not internal SMT, maybe internal SMT with YM. We have this order block that we close below. I wouldn't say this is high probability because we're going to need SMT between these two highs, but we are supported by this mitigation block plus this SIBI. So we have a high probability SIBI pushing us lower, giving us the opportunity for shorts. We're looking extremely bearish. What type of inversion do we have? We could have a rebalanced or redelivered, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, repurposed gap right here, and we have this order block or this breaker right here. Usually I'd like to look for shorts underneath the close below this breaker, but we also have this SIBI right here. So I'm going to need to wait for one more candle just to see how we close with the SIBI. Don't close inside of it. Now we close below it. So right now we could have found shorts off of the breaker. I really think that if we were going to be looking for shorts, this is a ton of size. I don't like where it's going. Попрошу тебя. Если ми попрошу тебя. Попрошу тебя. Yeah, I'll search it up.
Once you gotta lock in trading.
I know, don't worry. Would you take shorts off of this? Would you consider this our model? SMT highs, SMT. Would you take this Baltic? Because this is the model.
Zoom out a little.
Okay, it's in line with our daily power 3. We're going a little bit lower than I'd want. We're pushing all-time lows, which
maybe.
I mean, we're shorting the lows, which isn't good. But honestly, if this is IPTA, it would justify shorts. It's just in line with daily power 3. Our setup is 4.
I would lower size, but
100% lower size. That's what we're gonna do. So with lower size, not 12 contracts. What the? Okay, so I'd take it with maybe 3 M&Q. So what's 3 times 5? I don't know.
3 times 5, one and a half.
I'm trying to do, yeah, it's 1.5, but how would I do that on NQ? 1.5. Or just do like 1.5?
15.
No, because that's 15 NQ contracts. Okay, we're just gonna do this, 1.5, we'll do that. Did I just get stopped on 1 wick? F this. Jeez. No, I didn't even get, there wasn't even a wick. You see this? There wasn't even a wick.
No, your entry was farther than the price.
Oh, okay, that's fine. That's fine. Here we go. That was kind of my fault. Realistically, I should have had my stop up here if I was using lower size, but that's fine. So we have 1L. What caused us? I mean, it was almost A+ setup. We had the breaker, tapped into it perfectly. We ran a little bit higher than I wanted to. I like to retrace into the breaker right here. That's fine though. 1L, tiny L. Good job lowering the size. Doesn't bother me. Still bearish. Why did it just move to Friday? What? Oh, it is Friday. Never mind. I got confused. We can look for something in the PM. Oh yeah, it's not Wednesday. I only upsize on Wednesday and Thursday for this rule. Alright, that's over. So 1 red week. It's fine. And I just moved. Okay, I don't trade Mondays anyways. That's fine. Okay, let's do our analysis. Same thing. This is getting rougher for me. I don't like this at all. We're obviously higher time frame market maker sell model. Run of this high. Bang. We have that. It's bullish and bearish at the same time. It's ridiculous. Oh, okay. You had a bot telling you to lock in. Oh shoot. Okay, I have everything figured out. I understand it. Bang. Let's see this real quick. Oh no. Okay. We expanded way too high, way higher than I would have wanted. Is that okay? So initially bearish manipulation. I want to see manipulation lower for this day. So let's just wait and see. Higher time frame I want to see lower too, but this is just AMD right here. This is bad. This is already, I can tell right now that this is really bad for what we want to see. Really unfamiliar place. We maintained our place above this high though, so I can just say we're bullish. I don't think we're going to get that massive SMR. Open. We have our macro, we just run up higher, no confirmation of any type of thing. It's just bullish, bullish, bullish. Actually, if we had SMT between this, which we didn't, yeah, we didn't have any SMT, so that would have been another no setup. Kind of longing all-time highs. Not really the most optimal conditions for my strat, because you want more narrative behind it, but that's fine. Okay, this is a little bit better. Respect this piece right here. What is this? 110. Okay. Now we have SMT at the high. Jeez. Okay. That's fine though. All we have is this Sibi right here, but I'm not really too favorable for looking for shorts. Unless I'm in PM session. I'm just gonna keep this Sibi marked out. I want to keep this because it's also from the SMT, so we tap it, we completely inverse it. I want to see this repurposed. Now we're running higher in ES. I can't see any type of thing that would constitute an entry either here. I still gotta zoom out, but at least you had a busy support us. Oh, this is an ad. Okay, technically, I'm supposed to long here. I won't do it. I have to wait until Wednesday and Thursday, but that's what it's supposed to be. Retrace tap, stop out, and what happens here? Because this is what happens a lot recently, especially when backtesting. Because I swear, every single time I backtest, it's always going to be a stop out and run straight back into it. But here we can actually understand what went wrong. We threw drives into this right here. We threw drives into this busy that's also being respected. We have a breaker right here. This low, right that low. We have a breaker right here. Not really anything back here, even though we tapped into that high perfectly. Three drives at the lows. We have this inversion right here inside of a busy. So we're obviously setting up for a more bullish price. Not really any way I could have anticipated this to happen. Just more of a price thing at this point. We're this low. Never retraced into this breaker, which is sad. All we had was this and this inversion, which this isn't really. I mean, this is what you're supposed to take off of three drives. If we have a displacement leg lower and we form a fair value gap, close above, we long on the retrace right here, but not really anything too crazy about. We go into Wednesday though. It's really difficult for me to trade, especially in prices like this. Usually I just have to watch from the sidelines. What's up, EC1?
And so I got the VR game working.
Perfect.
how many how much score do you have?
Oh,
Like
Elo.
points.
Elo, I have almost
Yeah.
2k, above 2k.
Hmm.
Did you do it?
Yeah, I did the 5 fights. I forgot how much I had.
High number or low number?
I think in the thousands, but I'm not sure.
Okay, I'm doing
I
good.
lost 3 of my fights.
I'm really mad about my backtesting. I can't backtest properly. It's something I struggle with.
Yeah, I can't back this
I
for
know.
shit
If you
too.
saw my if you saw my streams back then, I got depressed over it. I get so mad. I had like 4 backtesting sessions in one night. Every single one was a loss, and the next day I have a winning streak for the entire week. It's ridiculous. Where's my Power 3 candle? Oh my god. There it is. Alright, let's check this. We have our manipulation higher. We can look for lower price.
I can't back this
I can't backtest it
at
don't
all.
worry. Oh please, this is ridiculous. Look at this. She's selling us longs right now. I don't want a long. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. We have a breaker. If we have SMT, I can call this high probability. I'll take this because it's a Wednesday. It's 8:50. What is our news? If we have no news, I'll take this. Calendar, December 10, 21.
No.
No news. Okay, then yeah, I'll take shorts off of this. I don't mind it. It's in line with our power.
I want to see
3.
this.
What?
I want to see this.
Yeah, me too.
But I'm dipping
Did we already tap into
back.
it? Are you heading out?
I have to do bag work.
Bag
Heavy
work.
bag.
Real life or?
Yes, yeah, of course.
Okay. I'll box you soon.
Sure. I will probably lose.
No, that's fine. I don't like that we're inside of a discount yet. Hold up. We're inside of a... Dang.
Bro, I get so sweaty playing. Like, everything fogs up.
This shit displays...
Do you have that too?
No, I don't.
Really?
Yeah, I box in real life. I'm fine. And you gotta pay for it. And you could do 1 hour. No, you could do 1 hour on your own, actually. If it's just one candle. To have multiple candles, you have to wait. We already tapped into a Baltic. We have this inversion supporting it too. I'll take... No. Should I just mark it? Actually, I'll just leave it order. It's fine. I don't mind. I gotta make sure I'm risking less, though. 1.5, because this is a pre-market trade.
I don't like it.
I don't like it either. Perfect.
Oh.
Perfect. 930 saved this. Okay, we got the displacement lower that I was looking for. 40 handles. That was fine. We'll wait for 950 now. Okay. Now what do we have? SMT low? Not really SMT low, but if we constitute SMT through the bodies, we have SMT at the lows. So, SMT lows, we didn't run up that low. Running back into a discount, I really don't want to see this reach minute open if we're still bearish. We ran into discount, or we're inside premium right now. Kind of off of open, so this could still be manipulation. But let's see. If I run higher, run higher, run higher. This inversion, oh jeez. Technically, I'm not taking that. Did we tap into it? Yeah, we did. Imagine I shorted this. Technically, we're supposed to short this, but kind of risky. No SMT at the high, so this order block isn't really an option for me. So that's fine. I'll just keep them marked out. I wish I could see the wicks. I wish this thing wasn't so close.
You can change it.
Look at it, we ticked the tap.
You can change it.
Okay. I'll change it then.
Offset. It's offset.
Hold on. I want to make the candle a little smaller. No, I just want to make it smaller. Offset. Let's see.
Up. Offset.
That's good. That's good enough for me. Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nothing right here. We have this inversion that we're back inside of. Retrace into the breaker, which second entry, but not really what I want. And we could go run out that. Actually, let's see this hold as a smart money reversal. If we can hold this, I'd be fine with looking for longs during 1050. That's looking good. As long as we don't run out this low, because we already ran out in ES, we have SMT at the lows. This is looking good. Please don't run it out. Okay. 5 minute, just pure, okay, pure accumulation. I'm not gonna let that deter me. We have SMT lows. I want to see us run higher in ES. That's what I need to see. This breaker plus this inversion. I might long this inversion if I'm being honest. It's not 8 plus though. I'll take it with low size. I'm gonna long this inversion. Low size, just because it's not A plus.
There's the volume imbalance there. Personally, I would put my stop loss below it, but that's my...
Nope, it didn't work. That's okay.
Yeah,
though.
it didn't work.
I want to see it. So
Right,
I still want to see it run up higher to my take profit. There we go. That's perfect. What could we improve? Because we're here to improve. We had another SMT low. We could have waited actually a little bit further into the macro. Let's look at this so we understand what we did wrong. The black sheep students are gonna like this a lot actually. We have this run lower, inducement, and what's it? Did we run out the slow? We did on. Oh yeah, we did on YM. So this is a final SMT. Past this SMT, we had this breaker right here. This is probably our only place where we could have found an entry off of. I kind of jumped the gun looking for one straight off of it. I want to see this happen here, but that didn't happen. We didn't run up this low. SMTs kind of held it, ran up to this high. That's fine though. I mean, it's better than. I'm not gonna complain about it.
Alright, I'm a dip, Mantas.
You're good. See you later, bro.
Go away, bro.
Thank
Bye.
you. Alright. Oh, now we have a BPR. This is clean shorts right here. I'll take a low size. I don't like forcing these trades, but it just keeps looking good. BPR, SMT at the highs. Yeah, I like the SMT at the highs. If we're going to be accumulating like how we are in this range without tapping into midnight open, being in this range, I kind of want to see just a retracement lower. So that's my logic behind this. This is more of a... How do I grade this one? We can go with low size, so it's not really going to hurt the account. I usually would have my stop up here. Take profit. We can go equilibrium of the range, which I'd say would be right here. Or lower into this breaker. I like the BPR with SMT. Make sure I'm in low size too. Yeah. Reaction lower. Stop loss break even. I need to see it displaced lower right now, otherwise it's just a dead trade. The entry was clean. I like to see that BPR respected just because of the SMT. It kind of stacks it up as a protected high low. We can anticipate to not run up this high because of the BPR making this a protected high. Plus we have the SMT which also protects it, but I mean we can see at this point our narrative has already switched to bullish because of this SMR. This should have only been a quick scalp, which that's my fault, but I'll just let it play out. And bang, it did hit. We needed that retrace into the discount after all, so that's pretty good. Yeah, not really. It helps me focus a little bit more. I was a little bit overshooting that, but this breaker with SMT is what I had my eyes on. I want to see us just push up higher from here now. Price action is, there we go, perfect. Price action is cleared up. I am not dinking around anymore with my rep. So I know what I'm doing, hopefully. SMT at the highs again. Not an A+ setup, but that was fine. Ran lower, tapped that perfectly, got bottom tick, top tick, good risk to reward. Okay, since this is Wednesday, I can actually play around with every macro. I have a good read of what price wants to do. I wouldn't have been able to predict that if I wasn't watching and anticipating price. If I was plopped straight down onto that, I probably would have looked for longs off of something here. So knowing what price is going to do and watching it does help you, if I'm being honest. So 15-minute, it looks like our run is already going to be towards midnight open, so I can't really justify any shorts here. It would normally say shorts, but we're already pushing up higher. We have our manipulation lower, which is good. We have this, what's it called, gap right here. Where's our macro? Let's check this out. If we could form SMT highs right now, that'd be perfect. Oh no, this isn't good. So this is really low probability shorts off of this. I'm definitely not going to take it. We tap it. This would be shorts right now. I don't want this though. It's low probability. We can do whatever. So yeah, shorts would have worked, but it's just not what I like. It didn't have any SMT. I should have zoomed out. Something I should have done to fix this, which I'm starting to get a little bit sloppy with my back testing, is zooming out, looking at the higher time frame if we had any SMT. And yeah, that was actually valid shorts because of the SMT at this high right here. So we did have SMT at the highs. We could have gotten that retracement, but it's after the fact. I don't have to worry. Me and Valid, I'm cool with all my admins. Yeah, me, Valid, and you and Baltic. But yeah, here's our shorts. Our stop loss would have been above this high. Our take profit would have been, what's our overall discount? Oh, we still have a lower take profit. Okay. 50 handle take profit. I would be done for the day though. I wouldn't touch anything. And breaking even. So it doesn't matter. In the end, it didn't matter. So that's okay. Still overall bullish. We could have worked on the take profit a little bit better, but I mean, same thing. Discount is still a draw on liquidity. Did we tell? No, we didn't. Discount still a draw on liquidity against the trend a little bit. But let's go into Thursday and try finding an A+ setup so I can push these account numbers up. Okay, we're accumulating. I'm a little bit late, but that's okay. We'll run of low. We did get the retrace into discount that I wanted. So we're instead of discount, I want to see OTE if we were instead of OTE. Not much. We almost tapped this, so I think that this is gonna... We didn't tap that. We got close to tapping it, but we didn't tap it. So I'm gonna be short-term bearish. I really want to see it get hit. Now let's look at our power of 3. This isn't really... What are we looking at? Oh, here's a minute open. We had a run up higher. Kind of had manipulation, not really a manipulative move. This run lower into discount. I don't know if I'm gonna be bullish or bearish today. I just have to let price form itself more, structure itself a little bit more. Bearish. Cibi. That's a wick, right? It's a wick. Okay, I'm gonna justify being bearish here then. Just short term for this low. That's all I want to see. I'll be watching my SMTs. Run up higher. This is making it even better, honestly. Unless we just go straight up higher, then I'm gonna have to flip, but I'm gonna remain it. I'm gonna remain bearish for now. Alright, I'm starting to have to flip bullish, so what can we do here? Discount? Okay, that's discount. Push lower. Keep this marked out. We have this kind of a 2022 model here with this breaker being respected. I don't know if I'm going to call that a unicorn. I can look through the time frames to see if there's a gap. No, there was none. Okay. So yeah, it's obviously pushing us lower now. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find a trade here, but I won't force anything. We still have the 705 that I really wanted to see us tap. So, keeping that in mind. Kind of 50-50 and bearish bias right now. We have this inversion, which we could have shorted off of. This is where it was telling me to short, but definitely not something I'm going to be taking yet. I'm way more cautious with my trades. Let's check this. Let's go over this one more time. Oh, we did have S&P high, so yeah, this breaker was proper shorts. It's okay though. Hello, slushy. Tap at 705. Perfect, okay. Push through. Now we're gonna be bearish. So I guess bearish is holding up after all. That run back up to almost mid, or that run back up through midnight open was kind of bad, but this is our manipulation here. Let's just play in line with the manipulation. Perfect, now we set the stage for shorts. We have our macro right here. 10, 10. This is what I'm gonna watch out for though. SMT at the highs. Okay. SMT at internal highs, no SMT internal highs. We just have this low probability order block here. Now we have BPR, SMT at lows. We have SMT at the lows too. So I kind of want to see the longs then. This is bad to say, but I have to flip the longs just because of what's being offered on the 1 minute. Let's check the higher time frame. We didn't run on any lows here, so I would normally check for SMT, but see us respect this BPR. Okay, we disrespected it. Let's see, run on this high. SMT. Now I gotta think hard about what I'm about to do if I'm gonna short this. It's not high probability again. It's so much harder. I wish I could see the price forming live. Ooh. I don't know if I'm gonna short this actually. This is looking really weird. I'll just mark it out, and or I could take a low size. I don't know. I don't have any confidence in this one. If I was gonna trade it though, it would have to be off of this. It would be something like this. So tap, I would be in, push lower, could manage stop loss here, run through, stop down. Okay, that's better than. I don't know what to be looking for right now, because this is just really weird for me. Solana, I sold already. I sold all Solana. I'm done. Nothing actually happened, which is surprising. 2 drives at the lows, not major SMT. I would have wanted to see larger SMT, but that didn't happen. Okay. This is outside of the model, but okay, I gotta run through quickly. That's not a trade, it's outside of the model. Thursday, I should have way higher probability. Okay, let's see some SMT low. Let's see some SMT at the lows form. Then I think I know what I'm gonna look for. I want to see displacement higher without running out this low. Okay, we're starting to get what I want. Keep this one marked out. Now we're outside of the macro. Which isn't good. Yeah, we're accumulating, slowly running up higher. I would want to say this would hold, but it's just, it runs out of lunch. 45 handles. Not into it. We're reacting not as clean as I'd want. I'm still gonna hold it up. No, it didn't hold at all. Just sad. Let's see what we look like on the 5 minute, because it's not really starting to look good here. I was looking into it at lunch. I probably wouldn't be looking at lunch at all, if I'm being honest. Still bearish though. So looking at the higher time frame, I have clarity. Still very bearish. We can look for a trade at 250. Yeah, not really a trade would have formed here. It's just following through with continuation. No SMT either. I'm not going to do anything. Hands are rough. It's rough navigating these conditions, if I'm being honest. Gotta look at the higher time frame more. So, what I need to do now, look at the higher time frame way more. I'm going to backtest for 20 more minutes and I'm off. And then I'll give my analysis for trading tomorrow. Majinki manipulation. Right here. Okay, that's 8:30. Still have data lows right here. I want to short this with low size. I like the SMT at the highs. We're running this out. We have data lows below us. The only thing I don't like is that it's against our daily power of 3. So it's going to be more of a compromise if I'm going to have to take this. What can support me in the higher time frame for taking shorts though? No, I don't have that. Never mind. Yeah, I guess shorts could work. I'll take shorts. That's high size, I don't like that. Oh, I got ran out. What could I have done better here? Let's see. Macro, bang, we had to run lower, run higher. We ran up this high, we had SMTs at highs. SMT was holding though for these highs right here. We were pushing up, making 3 drives up here, 1, 2, 3, which should be bearish with everything. I was actually confident in that one. I don't think there was anything wrong with it, if I'm being honest. I think it was just personal error. Could be an error with the trade. There we go. Now we're running lower. I still want those data lows to be ran out. We ran out this low. I want data lows though. Okay. Can't see anything right now. Can we hold this inversion? Let's see. No, it's just looking like a SMR. We did run out data lows though. Oh, okay, we ran out data lows. I thought that this was just these internal lows down here that we ran out. I wasn't aware of that. Okay, now it would be pretty good to go higher in line with our daily power of 3. I really doubt we're gonna get a retrace lower. Yeah, that was the this was a tiny retrace lower that we got here. Not even to discount, but I mean, I kind of missed out on that one. It's fine though. I can look for a continuation in the PM session. Oh wait, this is lunch. I gotta wait for 150. No, this is getting rough for me to see. I wish I had a stronger grasp or read a narrative. But this is where we're supposed to short here. I don't think I'm gonna take it. It's just SMT plus an inversion. Not really what I like to see, honestly, for a trade. Maybe low size, but not much. It feels so foreign. It doesn't feel as comfortable as looking at my own charts. This feels so much more comfortable. I feel like I can read this easier. Everything looks so much better. Oh, push a higher inverse bang. These though, this just looks like a foreign enemy. Okay, let's see. Let's tap. Let's stop loss break even. And that's, what was it? The ONF hit. I don't care about that. I'm really eager to look for longs here though. Oh, wait. No, this shouldn't hold. I'm not expecting it to. And it did, wow. This actually held pretty well. 36 handles, yeah, that's fine. This one held pretty well actually. I wasn't expecting this. It looks good. It's in line with what we wanted to see too. Yeah, it's not bad. From what I see, I like that. 7 handle stop. Okay, that's fine though. I can move on. Maybe next day. I'm expecting higher delivery. There we go. You can wait for next week now. Let's see what we do Monday. I don't trade Mondays, I just like to watch them. Okay, we're dumping. Massive range on Monday, bad conditions for the week, usually. I really don't like to see that. It's fine though. 9 AM. Alright, I'm starting to degrade I'm starting to get a headache from being on the charts. I'm gonna hop off in 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna start machine gunning out. I don't know if I'm gonna do that, honestly. I don't want to start slinging out trades. I still just want to learn, have good narrative. I read a narrative, but it's draining doing this multiple sessions. Especially because I don't really have too much of a higher time frame bias. I was supposed to have one, it's just really draining though. And I have a lot of tasks I have to do. So I really want to see this hold 705 here. See what we got though. I might be able to just find something off of the 1 minute, off of power 3. Good manipulation. I'll be looking for a lower price then. There we go. I was looking at this. I was eyeballing this one right here. This BPR. That would have been the proper one, but I don't know. I'm not really too keen on taking it. I feel like if I just start destroying myself again or having bad trades, it's gonna destroy my mental again. I'm gonna get all tired and stuff, not care about it. I think just tape reading or reading it, looking at it without thought of taking it helps me a lot more. Okay, it's just delivering further with our daily power of 3. Let's see what we can do here. I have to look for longs, honestly. What is ES doing? Hold up. I don't know what ES is doing right now. Can we hold this inverse? No, we cannot. High. Equal highs, SMT. Okay. I'm supposed to be short right now. That's a shame. It's fine though. We'll just let it run out. PM session, we can anticipate a reversal, especially because of Tuesday. Didn't really run through that, not as cleanly as I wanted. Still, this or this. Alright, let's see what caused this reversal in the first place, because we had my little tool right here, which usually causes reversals. Grain. Channel price is forming. I might have to hop off early, I might have to call it. I don't know if this is too valuable. I'd rather have more valuable backtesting sessions in the future, but this one is just bad. I really dread backtesting, if I'm being honest. No trade. Alright, let's just get on with Wednesday and Thursday. I'm gonna look at 3 macros and just try finding a trade there. Like trading the first 3 macros I find, then hop off. Just off sole 1 minute entries. Okay, I have to look for longs off of this inversion. I wouldn't say this is tilt, but I just want to push through as quick as possible. I gotta do something. Okay, where's 950? I'm just gonna go mechanical, full mechanical on the model. No entry models forming. If there was one, it'd be longs. Macro. No entry here. Then I have to go to the next day, Thursday. Bearish. 850, 950, and 1050. This is heavily against bias. I'm just gonna shoot it though. Where's that? Okay, where's 950? That short's right here. I can't take that though. The shorts move too quickly. It's too fast for me. And I just missed the 1050. Jeez. Okay. 1050, what happened? Open, run up higher. To this high. No SMT, perfect. We have this order block, never retrace into this one. Second one right here, we would have found filled. Yeah, that's fine though. Doesn't bother me. I'm done backtesting for this session. Got a headache already. I'm gonna be live trading tomorrow. I'll keep up with the track record, my stats, and everything. I'll be way better at live trading than I am backtesting because this sucks. Otherwise, I mean.